Hello students and welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Business and Data Analytics. Now inside Module 1 of the Data Science 2103 course, this course or module is going to introduce you to foundational concepts in business data analytics, focusing on the information age and its impact on modern business strategies. You're going to explore the distinctions between data, information, business intelligence, and knowledge, as well as their interconnections. Additionally, you're going to be learning about the systems thinking and the roles of management information systems, or MIS, in driving effective business communications and strategic business decision making. We're going to have a couple key concepts inside this chapter. The first is on chapter 1. We're going to be talking about the information age, which is the rise of business data and analytics. Then we're going to be talking about chapter 2, the competitive strategy analysis, which is called the SWOT, S-W-O-T analysis. And we're going to talk about the temporary nature of competitive advantages. Now for this class, or for all modules, excuse me, you're going to have the same layout basically through the whole thing. You're going to start with a pre-quiz. Typically takes about 30 minutes and sort of 2.5 points. The pre-quiz is a pass-fail assignment, which means once you take it, it's going to give you a grade of what you actually earned. And then when I go back and do the hand grading, I will convert it over to the 2.5 total points earned as long as you take it. After that, you're going to have lecture series, which will be about 90 minutes worth of time. The lecture series are worth 0 points. They are your study material. Then you're going to have your textbook reading. Now, the textbook reading is your most mundane, repetitive task. It should take you about 120 minutes to complete for an average student. It's worth 30 points. Then you're going to go into probably one of your hardest assignments in the class or each module, and that's going to be your case study. We're going to use your own real-world experience, your own knowledge, your own opinions. And for this module, we're going to be talking about the ethics of data mining and social media. Should take you about 60 minutes. It's worth 50 points. So this is actually your most valuable assignment inside the module. After that, you're going to do a hand walkthrough project called the Power BI project for the Module 1 introduction. It will be a video that you will follow along step by step and then upload your final assignment or final completed project at the end of it. It should take you about 30 minutes on average. It's worth 10 points. And then lastly, you're going to have your exam, which will cover everything from your textbook and your lecture series. It will take you about 60 minutes. It's worth 25 points. Your exams do only have one single attempt available to them. Once you open it, if you close it, that is your attempt. If you answer 0 questions or all the questions, you get 1 attempt and it cannot be reset. Every one of our modules takes about 6.5 hours on average to complete, and equal to about 117.5 points. Now there might be some modulation differences between each one, but for the most part, it's always going to be 6.5 hours and 117.5 points. Now the grading criteria for this module is always the same. It's that standard grade, 0 to 59% is an F, 60 to 69% is a D, 70 to 79% is a C, 80 to 89% is a B, and 90% or above is a. Now you'll also have some supplemental resources to deepen your understanding. These are usually videos. For this module 1, we're going to have supplementary videos on understanding the information age, business strategies in the information age, and management information systems. So this takes what you've learned in the textbook and builds on it and expands your base of knowledge so that you can better answer your case studies and your exams. Again, the supplemental materials are optional. They are voluntary for you if you would like to watch them. They will help you if you do so. Guys, you're going to learn a lot in this section module. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, while it may seem like some things don't tie together, all of these pieces build on the basic understanding. And every module will build off of the previous module. So if you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, have a very fruitful day and enjoy Module 1.